Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. I've got a really nice Super Nautique here that I wanted to show you guys. This is a G23 that we took in on trade. Also, it's the coastal edition, which means that you don't have any raw water going into the engine. You've got a freshwater heat exchanger. Also, this does come with an aluminum Continental trailer. For anybody that doesn't want to keep it out at the marina, you can trailer it back and forth. Let's hop on board here and see what you got. So just like all G23s, this one comes equipped with the NSS, the Nautique Surf System, which is a gate that extends so that you can control the wake to your liking, whether you're want a huge wake for surfing or just an average wake if you're a beginner. Moving on board here, our back hatch opens up to reveal a cooler with a drain. We've also got plenty of storage for all your boards on both sides, as well as also board racks on the tower. As you can see, you've got easy walkway inside here. Again, more storage down below. And this one does come completely loaded. It's got the tower cam, as well as all the digital controls to control your surf gate, start, stop, really everything you could need. Under here are your controls to control your tower cam for audio and video. Moving up to the front of the bow, we got a lot more seating for all your friends or anybody you can think about bringing along with. If this is the boat you're looking for, give me a call and bring your board down, and I'll take you guys out on the water and show you what this thing can do. Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater. Thanks.